Endemic to Indonesia, the distribution area of the white cockatoo is in the North Maluku Islands. This species is only found in primary and secondary forests on the islands of Halmahera, Ternate, Tid. Habitats. Cockatoos inhabit high primary and secondary forests and forest edges, also monsoon forest, Nusa Tenggara, tall forest with shrubs, shrubs with sparse trees and cultivated land with sparse trees. Cockatoo alba diety topkan sebagai burung yang dilindungi berdasarkan permen LHK nomor P. 92/menl/section/kum.1/8/2018 tentang jenis tumbuhan dan satwa yang dilindungi. Selain Cockatoo alba ada